Hey friends, if you encounter this error in your Windows, especially in the Microsoft Store, if you are downloading for your apps or games, Microsoft Store error encountered, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So this could be very annoying that you cannot download or install any applications from the Microsoft Store as this error is occurring. So let's fix this or let's find out the ways on how we can fix this. So first is click on the start button and then go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on system that's under home. Scroll down a bit and you'll find troubleshoot. You'll find other troubleshooters. Then here you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button. So running the Windows Update troubleshooter, this will help you detect the issue that you are facing. It will also ask you for the problem and it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how it can fix the issue. So you just have to simply follow what it recommends. Then here it will ask you which problem are you experiencing. So you just have to simply choose the problem that you are facing and then follow the suggestions and recommendations that it will suggest to you. Next method, again click on the start button, go to settings. We also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Because the thing is, if your Windows is updated, you will rarely face an issue or problem. So might as well make sure that your Windows is up to date and click on check for updates. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So you just have to wait for that. This is currently installing the update. So once done, simply close this window. And then in the Windows search bar, type here services. Best match services. Go ahead and click that. Then here in the list of services, scroll down to W as these are arranged in alphabetical order and look for the Windows Update service. This one, Windows Update. Click on Restart first. Then once done, make a right click and then select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Then we have already restarted it. And if this is not yet running, click on Start, click on Apply, and then OK. Once done, close this window. Then for the final method in the Windows search bar, type here Store. Microsoft Store will appear under the best match. Then just simply make a right click and then select App Settings. Now here, scroll down and you'll find Reset. If this system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on Repair. Now, once you have repaired the Microsoft Store, you have to open it again and see if the problem has been fixed. And if not, go back to the same window. If the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted, so click on Reset and reset once again. So once done, simply close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.